Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing part 3 of our video series, doing a product review from Rosalind. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today I'm going to be continuing doing a nail design using Rosalind's black and yellow collection. I will leave the product link in the description box below, as well as the discount code that is good up till the end of July. So I'm using color C013, and I did 2 coats of this onto my index finger. And then I'm going to be using C001 on my middle finger, and I'm going to be applying 2 coats of that, and that's going to give it a really nice solid color. So for today's design, I'm going to obviously stick with the same colors, but I wanted to do a more floral look to this design, a little softer, so it's going to be pretty simple and easy to do. I'm just going to be creating some petals and emphasizing these petals with the glitters, and then we're going to be putting on some rhinestones in the center of the flower to give it that extra pop. So I'm going to go ahead and use C027. This is that nice gold color out of this collection that I absolutely love. And again, I'm going to be doing like 3 petals in an angle, starting on one corner of the base of my nail. And what you're going to do is put a little dab of the polish on the tip of the brush and lightly brush it out into a curve to form a leaf. And then I'm going to be doing this 2 more times on each side of this one main one. They're obviously going to be a little smaller, a little narrower. And then after I cured that in the adjacent corner, I'm going to be doing the same technique of drawing 3 leaves, 2 little ones on each side, and give that a cure. So now I'm going to be using C295, and this is the chunky gold glitter. I'm going to be using this to fill in these leaves. Now I'm going to start on one side of the leaf. I just chose to use the bottom side, as you see here, and I'm going to fan out the glitters. I'm going to try to ombre it towards the top, just to give it some depth and variation. And I want to make sure that that side that I'm working on, I'm loading up with glitters so that it's a clear like ombre, and it really defines those leaves. And you can pretty much do anything you want to these leaves, color the whole thing in. It's really up to you, but I like to have some uniqueness to it. And I'm doing it to the other leaves as well on the adjacent corner. And then I'm going to give that a cure. And then off camera, I'm going to be applying the rhinestones. They aren't through Rosalind, so I don't want to show that. But after I do that, I'm going to do the next nail. So now for this nail, it's going to pretty much be the opposite in color. So I've got here C167, and we're going to repeat the same techniques that we did to the index finger. I'm just going to grab this. This is the black polish with a pretty fine silver glitter in there. And I think it's going to be really nice and subtle for this nail. And again, I'm just going to be doing 3 leaves, 1 in the middle, 2 flanking each side. Give that a cure. and then I'm going to repeat this technique on the adjacent corner. And if you noticed, I pretty much reversed what I did on the index finger. So I'm using opposite corners that I did before. But I'm actually loving this look better. I like the black leaves versus the gold. And now to fill these leaves in, I'm going to be using C206. This is the chunky black glitters or hollow black glitters. And like we did in the other nail, I'm going to pick one side, and I pretty much reversed it. So now I'm picking, well, it's still the bottom of the leaf, I guess, if I flip my nail. It's just on the opposite corner. But as you can see here better what I'm talking about. You make one side dense with the glitter, and then you ombre that out through the rest of the leaf there. And here's the end result, you guys. This is such a simple design, and you can repeat this on all the other nails to make it one nail design, really. And those rhinestones just give it an extra pop. I do love the gold against the black. So this is the collection, you guys. Again, the product link is in the description box below, along with the discount code. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again tomorrow. We do have a rerun workshop, but then I'm going to continue Friday for our last part of this series, doing the last two nails, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.